Okay, so in this session we will discuss how to extract the license plate number from any vehicle, and we try to do with this particular thing in within a 10 minutes. So there already one GitHub repository is available, that is the MISBA 4064 license plate detection. Please clone this particular thing. I already clone, but you need to run this particular line. Okay, after that I will go to that particular folder which I clone and which is YOLO license plate. Okay, so I run this particular thing. Now actually my CD means current directory is this one. After that you need to download the weight, and for weight I given the link. Okay, I already downloaded, so I run. And next, creating the function called object detector. So this is the function there. I use the means coordinate of this means object detection, and try to see what is the thing. Okay, so first I made this particular function and I run this particular function. Okay, so this is nothing but the one function. Okay, and it is now working. After that, what I will be doing some space removal and all thing I'm doing here. Okay, so now I try to test the image. So this is the image, this is the front view, and I try to run. Okay, so let's see. So this is the actual image and this is the license plate detector. Okay, and now okay, this is the entire image you can see, and this is the license plate, but I'm interested in license plate only. So I will put this in the comment, and this is the normal thing. So now you can see resize image, and I call only the license plate, means the crop. I'm trying to crop the license plate image. Now I import some library and use the easy OCR for reading this text. Okay, so I try to run by this resize image, or you can see the crop image, where I apply the easy OCR, and let's see what will be the output. Okay, so now if I want to see the result, okay, so what is the result? I try to print. So this is the result. The first one is shows the coordinates, the second one is the detection, and what is the probability of the detection, that is the thing. So I want to call only this second, means this is the in Python, this is a 0, this is the 1 index, and this is the 2. So I calling that, and I try to identify what is the license plate. So now you can see when I run this particular thing, you can see the license plate is 1171AHL, and you can test this particular thing on the video also. And now you can see this is the L1171AH, that is the license plate, and will detected by the this particular code. And if you want this code, then please ping me. I will put my email ID also in this video. So ping me, I will share this code. So thank you for this, and license plate you can detect by this particular Jupyter notebook within 2 minutes. Thank you.